Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock chat in Roblox step by step so that you can type and talk in game properly. So this works on mobile PC and even on the tablet. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for roblox.com. Once you are here on roblox.com, the first thing that you need to do is to simply log in into your account. So once you have done that, click on the settings icon on the top right hand corner. Afterwards, click on the option of settings. Now in the settings, simply click on the option of account info. So here on the account info, when you scroll down on this page, it is going to show you this option that says check your age to get more features. So basically, in order to get the Roblox chat feature, you need to understand its eligibility. So in your case, it is locked because of any of these three reasons. Like the reason number one can be your age is under 13. The second reason can be because of the parental control option is turned on your account, or you are in a game that has chat disabled. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to open the game that you are playing and you need to look at the top left hand corner or the menu area. If you don't see a chat box at all, it is possible that your specific game has chat disabled. So quickly test it by opening another popular game like Brookhaven or Adopt Me, and you can check if the chat appears there or not. Now, in order to turn it on, you need to come here on this settings page. On this particular page, you just have to first of all verify your identity with the help of a selfie and with the help of your ID. So once the verification is done, the two options will be enabled here. The first would be of who can chat with you. So you need to make it for everyone. The second option would be who can message me. So that option you also need to make everyone. After that, simply click on the option of save in order to save all of these changes. So once this is done, if in your account the parental control option is turned on, you need to check for that as well. For that, in the settings of Roblox, simply click on the option of privacy and content restrictions. Over here, simply go to the content majority and see if that option is available or not. If you see that option, you just have to turn it off. And with the help of these few methods, you will be able to easily unlock the chat option in Roblox. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.